Welcome back to CoinTalk USA. In this video, we will see a new Learn and Earn program here in Binance, and this is USDC. First of all, you have to go in Learn and Earn program. So you can click in more and you can see here that Learn and Earn. After clicking here, you can see that USDC Learn and Earn program is ongoing. So you have to click on Start Learning, and you go through this video, and there is a small article about USDC, what is USDC and all about USDC. So here you can start quiz and earn 0.520547 USDC as a staking reward for 150 days at APR 10%. So let's start quiz. Here I will select the answer, and you will see here carefully.